Hello, David here, and the project for today is to figure out why my water flosser stopped working. I just charged the batteries, and there is water in the reservoir. This is made by Vosaro, and I need to use my water flosser a lot. 2 times a day at least, sometimes 3 times a day, because I have gum disease, also known as periodontal disease. And also I'm in the process of straightening my teeth wearing invisible liners or invisible retainers, so I can't have that food trapped under my teeth or in my gums. It's bad for your teeth and bad for the pockets that form when you have gum disease. So this is what I'm getting. Push the button just in case it squirts. Runs a little bit and then it stops. See if the tip is clogged. Ah, that's the trick. I've got a clogged tip. And I'm all wet. Let's try cleaning it out with some compressed air. I saw something shoot out of there. It's getting slow. Let's test it. I did put black marks on the bad ones so I wouldn't get them mixed up. Yeah, look at that. I'm pleased. And just think, I was going to go out and buy a new one. So I hope you find this helpful. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.